the yellow pear. So we finally got signed up for the farmers market this past weekend. So getting ready for that. The plants have been kind of stunted because we've been getting so much rain. We're in a flood warning since like late April until, it's May the 6th today. It's just been like off and on raining. This is my super sweet 100s. These are the ones that first start producing. These two beds are the super sweet 100s too. I'm gonna have so many of them. It's gonna be ridiculous. But that's what we need so we can provide for the community and the market. It's kind of difficult because we don't have as many produce vendors. I think we only have 2, and it just seems like something that a lot of people don't do anymore. Now this bed is the Better Boys, and I got a few Romas on the end, and then I have some full G jalapenos right here. You see the ditches are full. I've got some spaghetti squash. And then I have like another 16-foot row, 2 16-foot rows here. Right now I'm just planted beans there. I plan on planting like some more tomatoes in early June. Kind of give us like another bumper crop so I continually have a nice harvest. So I've just been trying to do succession plantings, which is when you plant one crop and then you keep planting like 2 weeks later, a few weeks later, so you continually have a nice harvest. Right here I have some yellow squash coming along slowly but surely. Right here's my onion patch with some lettuce. I weeded this one out, but as you can see I haven't weeded those or this one. The weeds are getting crazy. I might weed that sooner. I need to. But yeah, these 2 rows I planted on the 1st of April, and they got a little frostbitten, but they seem to be recovered well. Got a little damage from a tomato fruit worm. I'm gonna do an experiment with pumpkins. This is just straight rabbit compost. This is old peat moss. I'm gonna be putting some like just regular granular organic fertilizer in there. And this is like halfway composted compost.